What's up guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix imperfections in your paint like this with the John Deere touch-up pins here. If this video happens to help you out or you like this video, we just ask that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. Let's get started. First, let's start with a little bit of prep work. Now, we have gone over and sprayed this machine off with the pressure washer, but as we know, even with a pressure washer or with a thorough washing, you may still have some dirt and debris. And so one thing you want to do is make sure and go over your entire area where any of these cracks or scratches or chunks out of the paint here are. Make sure and go over them with a cleaner, wipe them off, make sure and get them good and dry before you go ahead and start with any paint. We just want to make sure and do this to get off any existing dirt and debris that may cause that paint not to stick well to the other paint or to any of the exposed metal. So this is a very important first step, just prepping the area that you are going to be painting. Now, once you've got that good and clean, like I said, we are using the Ag and Turf green paint touch-up pin here. This is going to be part number TY26019. So if you want some of this or need some of this for your machine, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below to 247parts.com where you can go to get this. And so make sure and check that out. But we'll go ahead and break this open here. Now, there are a few things you should know about this filler paint here, is that you have a couple of different features. Now, first off, right here on top of the cap, you're actually going to have a little sanding stone here at the top. So in these deep scratches like this, we can use the top part of this pin to try and scrape out as much of that rust as we can. So we can get down in those deep grooves like that, and you're wanting to try to get rid of at least that top layer of rust or debris there, but you do have that sandstone there that you can use at the top to do that. So this will start to put out some paint if you push down on this tip. That'll open up the valve at the end of this and put paint out onto the machine. Now, the feature that I'm going to be using most today is going to be the actual brush part that is inside here. So you can open this up and then just paint this on to fill those cracks, just like so. Now this can get a little messy, so you want to be careful here. Now, I know that this isn't the best paint job, but you have to remember that if you're using this touch-up paint, you probably have either made a little bit of a mistake, or you're doing like what I'm doing here today and simply trying to get the best out of a used mower here, trying to pretty it up, which is what we've got going on today. So if your paint job's not the best, you can be as meticulous as you like, or as careless as you like, whichever way you want to take it. But these little touch-up pins can be an absolute lifesaver. So I'm going to go ahead and go around, fix up all these scratches. We'll show you that before and after of the scratches here. So stay tuned. Now, art was never my best subject in school, and still today I would not consider myself much of a painter. But as you can see, at least from the video, the touch-up pen does do a good job at least of being able to cover up those deep scratches that are all the way down to the metal to where they will not be able to be buffed out. This way you can cover those up, make sure that your paint doesn't continue to chip, and you can help preserve the life of your mower, tractor, gator, whatever those things may be that you need to paint. You will be able to do that. So now here we'll go ahead and show you that before of all the scratches here. And now here is the after. So as you can see, we were able to cover up all of the big imperfections in the paint here with the touch-up pen, which is what we're aiming to do with a touch-up pen at any point. Now, like I said, you can be as meticulous as you want, really make this look good, or you can kind of just slap it on there like I did to make sure that you have those bare metal spots covered. So guys, I hope that this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. Also guys, if you are in any interest of one of these touch-up pens for your machine, make sure to check down in that description tab below for a link to 247parts.com, where you can go to get that touch-up pen or any other parts for your John Deere mowers, tractors, gators, or compact construction equipment, whatever those things are. Make sure to check that out. Also guys, if you feel like I left anything out or you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be sure to get back with you. And if you want to watch videos over more than just how-tos and parts related stuff, make sure to go check out our other channel, Western Equipment, for all of those big overview type of videos. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.